Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve question number 3 and 4 of exercise 15.1 surface area and volume from NCERT test book of class 10 math. Okay. So we have given question number 3. In question number 3, it has been said that a toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on hemisphere of same radius. The total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the toy. Okay. So in this question we have a toy in the form of cone mounted by hemisphere. Okay. So let us draw first each picture. A toy in the form of hemisphere, okay, mounted by a cone. So this is y, okay, and also given total length of toy. Okay, the total height of toy is 15.5. This is given 15.5 centimeter. Okay, and radius also given, radius 3.5. Okay, radius is given 3.5 centimeter. Okay, so this is also radius in hemisphere 3.5 centimeter. Okay, now subtract 3.5 centimeter from the total height. So then we would get height of the cone is 15.3, 12 centimeter. So 12 centimeter is the height of the cone. So from the figure it is clear the radius of hemispherical part equal to the radius of conical part. Okay, from the figure it is clear. Okay, radius r of hemispherical part equal to the radius of conical which is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Okay, r equal to 3.5 centimeter. Then height of the cone equal to height h of conical part equal to 15.5 centimeter minus 15.5 centimeter. Subtract 3.5 from 15.5, 3.5 centimeter, which is equal to 12 centimeter. Okay, so we have write all information given from the picture, and finally we need to find total surface area of the toy. Okay, to find total surface area of toy, so to find by combining surface area of hemispherical part plus conical part. Okay, so here L is not given, so first calculate L. So L equal to under root r square plus h square. So this is r is 3.5 square plus 12 square. So this is This is 12.25 plus this is 144. Okay, is equal to overall 2 pi. This is 2 pi and 6 pi 156.25. Okay, 156.25. Now square root of 156.25. Okay, so square root of 156.25 equal to 12.5 centimeter. Okay, so here we calculate value of L 12.5 centimeter. Okay, then total surface area of toy, then total surface area of the toy equal to total surface area of toy equal to CSA by combining CSA of conical part plus CSA of hemispherical part. Okay, hemispherical part. So this is pi RL plus N. CSA of hemispherical part 2 pi r square. Okay, 2 pi r square. Now taking pi r common, so this is L plus 2r. Okay, so value of pi is 22/7 and radius 3.5 centimeter, and L is 12.5 plus this is 2 into r square, means r is 3.5, so this is 3.5. Okay, now simplify. This is 7 5 30 means 0 points. This is 22 into 0.5 and into this is 12.5 plus 5 to the 10. Okay, 3 to the 6 and 7 and this is 10 11 into 19.5. Okay, now multiply 11 19.5 by 11, so this is 195.5 okay. So after multiplication we get 21.45 centimeter square. 21.45 centimeter square is the total surface area of the toy. Okay, this is required surface area of the toy. Okay, now move to the question number 4. Okay children, in question number 4 it has been said a cubical block of size 7 cm is mounted by a hemisphere. What is the greatest diameter of the hemisphere can have find the surface area of the solid. Okay, so we have a cubical block. Okay, and in this block the hemisphere is mounted. Okay, and a sphere is mounted and also given side of the cubical block 7 centimeter. Okay, then we have to ask what is the greatest diameter of hemisphere. So greatest diameter of the hemisphere equal to 7 centimeter because a hemisphere is mounted on it. Okay, so we cover circular area of the hemisphere is equal to h. Okay, so diameter of the hemispherical part equal to hemisphere equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, so greatest, so we have given side of cubical block which is equal to 7 centimeter, then greatest diameter of hemisphere equal to greatest diameter hemisphere equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, and then radius are equal to 7 by 2 centimeter, and also find the total surface area of the solid. Okay, then total surface area of the solid is calculated by PSA of cubical block plus CSA of hemisphere minus area of base minus area of the base of hemisphere. Okay, because in total TSA of cubical block we have remaining this area remaining, okay, on the corner. So we subtract remaining, and this is covered by circular part by the hemisphere. So subtracting circular base of hemisphere. So this is 6 into side square plus this is 2 pi r square minus pi r square circular base. So this is 6 into side is 7. So write 7 square plus pi r square. So 6 into 7 from the 49 plus this is 22 by 7 into radius 7 by 2. So write 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 7 to 7 cancel, and this is 22 by 2. Now multiply. This is 9 6 and 54. 294 plus 20 and now divide. 332.5. Okay, 332.5 centimeter square is the total surface area of the solid. Okay, so dear children, this is solution, required solution of question number 3 and 4. I hope this is clear after watching my video. Okay.